Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the latest leak from Google, the new Google Health logo that might replace the Fitbit app. Let's dive in. The new icon is a heart that appears to be drawn with a brush, as this is a stroke. The entire heart shape isn't filled and has negative space. It's a unique design that sets it apart from the current Fitbit logo. The heart, like Google Fit, is more obvious than the series of dots that make up an arrow in the current Fitbit logo. We see the gradient color scheme leveraged by the Google G, Gemini, Home, Photos, and Maps. It's predominantly blue, with a touch of purple, with some green and yellow. Red completes the palette. This icon is appearing alongside Google Health Premium in some international Google stores after adding a Pixel Watch or Fitbit device to your cart. Meanwhile, some global Apple App Store listings have leaked the Google Health Premium brand and pricing, appearing under the in-app purchases section. Pricing matches the current Fitbit Premium at $9.99 per month or $79.99 annually. It's unclear if these are final prices. This might suggest it's not part of Google One or AI Pro/Ultra. As a reminder, Fitbit Premium is only an included perk in the UK and has yet to be expanded. We know that the Fitbit brand will remain for the Google Fitbit Air band instead of the company using Pixel. Additionally, Google Health Premium will replace the Fitbit Premium subscription. It looks like the Fitbit brand remains for hardware, but not software and services. What remains to be seen is whether the Fitbit mobile app will change its name to Google Health. Today's icon would suggest that. Now let's talk about the design and build of the Google Health. It's expected to have a similar design to the Google Fit app, but with some new features and a fresh look. The app will likely have a clean and intuitive interface, making it easy for users to track their health and fitness goals. In terms of specs and performance, we can expect the Google Health app to be fast and responsive, with seamless integration with Google's other health and fitness services. The app will likely be available on both Android and iOS devices, and will be compatible with a range of wearables and fitness trackers. One of the new features that we're excited about is the ability to track your health and fitness goals in one place, with personalized recommendations and insights to help you improve your health. We're also expecting to see some new features that will allow users to track their sleep, nutrition, and stress levels, all in one app. There have been some rumors and leaks about the Google Health app, with some suggesting that it will have a free version, as well as a premium subscription. The premium subscription will likely offer additional features, such as personalized coaching, advanced analytics, and integration with other Google services. In terms of the expected release date and price, we're expecting the Google Health app to be released sometime in 2026, with the premium subscription likely to be priced around $9.99 per month or $79.99 annually. Our verdict is that the Google Health app is going to be a game changer for anyone looking to track their health and fitness goals, with its clean and intuitive interface, fast and responsive performance, and range of new features. We're excited to see how the app develops and how it will integrate with other Google services. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news and updates. We'll see you in the next video.